So the big picture for this lesson is solving systems with 3 equations and 3 variables. So what you want to do is you want to try to make it so that you have systems of 2 equations and 2 variables, and then you can solve from there. So for example, I can do some elimination and linear combination steps to eliminate variables. So I'm just going to look at equations. Let's number these equations 1, 2, and 3, just based on the order that they appear. If I add equation 1 and equation 2, I can eliminate the x. So then I would get one equation in terms of y and z. So if I combine 1 and 2 by adding, I will get a system with y and z. Then I would have one equation, 2 variables. So I want to do another elimination or linear combination with 2 different equations to get another equation in terms of y and z. So for example, if I took equations 2 and 3, I can't just add them to eliminate the x, but if I multiply equation 2 by 2, it would make negative 2x, and then the negative 2x plus 2x would cancel when I add. So I can do 2 times equation 2. Okay, so let me just show you what happens here. I'll add equations 1 and 2. X plus 2y minus z equals 2. Negative x plus 4y plus 2z equals 13. So let's add those. X minus x, when you add those you get 0. Plus 2y plus 4y makes 6y. Minus z plus 2z makes plus z equals 2 plus 13, which is 15. Okay, now I'm going to do 2 times equation 2 plus equation 3. So 2 times equation 2, I'm just going to write that here. Negative 2x plus 8y plus 4z equals 26. I multiplied everything by 2. And then equation 3 is 2x plus 3y plus z equals 11. So let's add those. Negative 2x plus 2x makes 0. So you can see the x's are canceled there. 8y plus 3y, that's 11y. 4z plus z, that's plus 5z. 26 plus 11, that equals 37. So then I have a second equation in terms of y and z. So this is something that I can solve more easily. I can do a linear combination step here and then solve for y and then back substitute to solve for z, and then back substitute into one of the original 3 equations to solve for x. So that's what you do. You use some linear combinations and eliminations to create a system of 2 equations and 2 variables. Then you can solve for the 1 variable and then back substitute to solve for the other 2. Just be careful as you're working here. Be very detailed with your steps. Typical mistakes are negative sign, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. You just have to be very detailed with your algebra, and make sure you check your solutions in the original system to make sure they work in all 3 equations. So that's the big picture for this lesson.